How to improve your mental health in 30 days. What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could feel happier, less stressed, and more focused? Sounds too good to be true, right? But stick with me. Imagine waking up with clarity, going through your day with energy, and finally breaking free from negative mental patterns. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, stuck, or just looking to improve your mindset, this 30-day mental health journey is packed with practical, science-backed steps anyone can take. Let's dive in and discover how these small daily habits can lead to big, lasting changes in your mental well-being. Don't miss this, you owe it to yourself. Day 1. Define your why. What does mental health mean to you? Take 5 minutes to reflect on where you are right now and where you want to be. Write down your intentions for this journey. Research shows that setting clear goals increases motivation and helps you stay on track. This is your first step toward a healthier mind. Own it. Day 2. Master your morning. Your mornings set the tone for the rest of your day. Start with simple yet powerful rituals. Stretch, meditate, or journal. A structured morning routine can help you feel grounded and energized, reducing stress from the get-go. Day 3. Gratitude is the attitude. Did you know gratitude rewires your brain for positivity? Write down 3 things you're grateful for today, big or small. It doesn't matter, just focus on the good. This one habit can transform your perspective on life. Day 4. Move to feel good. Exercise isn't just about fitness, it's a game changer for your mental health. Whether it's a walk, yoga, or dancing in your kitchen, moving your body releases endorphins, lifting your mood and easing stress. Day 5. Reconnect with nature. Feel stressed? Step outside. A walk in the park or simply sitting under a tree can lower your cortisol levels and boost your mood. Nature is free therapy. Use it. Day 6. Digital detox. How much time do you spend staring at a screen? Cut back on social media or scrolling before bed. Less screen time means more mental clarity and fewer comparisons, stealing your joy. Day 7. Strengthen your support system. Call a friend, visit family, or join a community group. Meaningful connections act like a safety net for your mental health. Don't isolate, reach out. Day 8. Find your flow. What lights you up? Start a hobby: painting, gardening, playing guitar, anything that excites you. Research shows that hobbies improve emotional well-being and give you a sense of purpose. Day 9. Embrace mindfulness. Mindfulness is the superpower we all need. Spend 5 minutes focusing on your breath or observing your surroundings without judgment. This simple practice calms your mind and sharpens your focus. Day 10. Prioritize sleep. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest. A consistent bedtime routine can help reset your mind and improve emotional regulation. Day 11. Eat to thrive. What you eat affects how you feel. Add mood-boosting foods like berries, nuts, and omega-3 rich fish to your diet. A balanced plate equals a balanced mind. Day 12. Be kind to others. Helping others is helping yourself. Volunteer at a shelter, donate to a cause, or simply perform random acts of kindness. These small gestures can make a big difference in your happiness. Day 13. Journal for clarity. Feeling overwhelmed? Write it down. Journaling helps process emotions and clear mental clutter. No judgment, just put pen to paper and let it flow. Day 14. Cut back on stimulants. Too much caffeine or alcohol can mess with your mood. Try swapping that 3rd cup of coffee for herbal tea and notice the difference in how you feel. Day 15. Visualize your future dream. Big. Create a vision board filled with images and words that inspire you. Seeing your goals daily keeps you motivated and focused. Day 16. Set boundaries. Protect your energy. Learn to say no to things that drain you. Boundaries aren't selfish. They're essential for your well-being. Day 17. Declutter your life. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. Take time to organize your surroundings for a calm, peaceful environment. Day 18. Find a mentor. Seek someone who inspires you. A mentor's guidance can provide clarity, encouragement, and support in navigating life's challenges. Day 19. Tune into music therapy. Music isn't just entertainment, it's healing. Play soothing tracks to relax or upbeat songs to energize your mood. Day 20. Breathe and let go. Feeling anxious? Take slow, deep breaths. This simple exercise activates your body's relaxation response, helping you feel calmer instantly. Day 21. Learn something new. Stimulate your brain by taking a workshop or class. Learning something new keeps your mind sharp and brings a sense of accomplishment. Day 22. Celebrate small wins. Reflect on your journey. Every step, no matter how small, is progress. Celebrate yourself. You're doing amazing. Day 23. Be your own cheerleader. Replace self-criticism with self-compassion. Speak to yourself with kindness and remind yourself that it's okay to have tough days. Day 24. Affirmations. Work wonders. Say positive affirmations daily. I am capable. I am strong. Or I deserve happiness. The words you tell yourself matter. Day 25. Eliminate negativity. Distance yourself from toxic people or habits. Surround yourself with positive influences that uplift and empower you. Day 26. Unlock creativity. Tap into your creative side, paint, write, or try DIY projects. Creative expression helps process emotions and boosts happiness. Day 27. Focus on solutions. When challenges arise, shift your mindset to finding solutions instead of dwelling on problems. This change in perspective reduces stress. Day 28. Forgive and free yourself. Forgiveness is for you, not them. Let go of grudges and move forward with a lighter heart. Day 29. Reflect and refine. Review your progress and identify what worked best. Adjust your habits for long-term success. Day 30. Plan for the future. Congratulations, you've completed the journey. Use what you've learned to create a sustainable plan for continued growth and mental health improvement. Improving your mental health doesn't have to be overwhelming. These small daily changes can lead to big transformations. Which step are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it. Let's create a healthier, happier world, one habit at a time.